All right, so we're removing the wastewater connection. We'll hold on to this guy. Plug it with a rag. Lordy, lordy, lordy. You don't need any of them gases. They're good. Good for you. Take about 3 or 4 good huffs of sewer gas a day. Okay. Dang. They got in here quick. Ooh. Oh, goodness. Let's take this trap. Try to collect that trap water. Uh-oh. Something in here. I'll put this in the bucket. Oh, lordy, lordy. Let's take that. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. We'll use that again later. Possibly this. Because I don't know. I don't know. This will fine. Oh, okay. Let's put that in too.
Is that hair?
I don't like it. Sorry about that. Sorry I had to say that. Let's do something with this too. Now, I've already turned off the water because I didn't have my zipper. I gotta take these off. Oh my, but yeah. So, where's that little pipe wrench? Did I not put it in the bucket? Maybe she's in the bag here. Okay. He's my baby vibrator. It's just a little baby. Now I gotta. That ain't it. So I'm gonna be loosening. Let's leave that door. Some of that, maybe. Yeah. How much do I have here? Just perfect. So these and these. Come here, little fella. Oh, there he goes. Just okay. What? Well, that didn't work very well. Come on, baby. Where are you? Okay. Tighten, and loosen. That's not grabbing that very well. Here, come on. It's warping my little retired. Oh, retired. Or tired again. Okay. Get this. A little drippy. Right there somewhere. Come here. There it is. Gotta exert some farce on there real quick. And then, so very nice, very nice. So it'll pop right out. Everything else should pop out. But is it attached? I'm gonna need to lie down and find out. You know what else it is? Okay. Yeah. Dang it. What? They put these in with a T, a torque bit, which is that green guy or those three, the three that I bought.